Hey everybody, Adam with Front Range Storm Contractors. Just doing a repair on this roof today. So this video is going to be about how to repair your ridge shingles if you only need to do a couple of shingles. So let me just turn the camera around. I've already removed some shingles. Now we are going to be replacing some of the other field shingles over there, but that's for another video. So the first thing you do is you remove the affected shingles. Got some there, got some up there on this one, some down here at the bottom of this one where the branches ruined some of the shingles. This one's got a couple. I'm going to show you guys how to do this one here. So this is a simple hip roof, and on all four hips there's some ridge shingles that need to be repaired. So first thing you're going to do is you're going to take your pry bar here, and I'm going to remove this shingle and this shingle. This shingle looks all right, and that one is definitely fine. So I'm just going to remove these two. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is you're going to start with the one above it. You want to break the seal because there's a seal there, and then you want to go up under the next one. There's a nail right underneath there that's holding this. There's a nail right up underneath there that's holding this shingle down. So you want to, and that nail that's right under there is also, and I'll show you in a little bit, it's attached to this one too, which is why we really want to get it. So you just want to kind of loosen that, pop that nail up under that second one there. There you go. Then you want to come back here to the ones that you want to remove, and who cares if we end up tearing those shingles up. You want to remove those, and I would suggest using a pair of gloves. Let me put mine on real quick here, just because the fiberglass from these shingles really doesn't feel good if you get it into your skin as slivers. See, now this is the nail that's from this shingle here. It's two shingles up that was holding that I loosened way up here. So I'm gonna take that off there, nail right underneath there. Okay, pull that one out, and you got to be careful because they're bent over the ridge here, so they can tear along the very top there pretty easily. So you don't want to put too much pressure on them. I got another nail up here. There, it's that one. I think we got it. There, see? So we got the two pulled out that we wanted to remove. Didn't tear this one, didn't break that one, and this one still in really good condition too. So that's how you carefully remove some ridge shingles without damaging the ones below or above, so that you can just do spot repairs. And later on we'll show you how to actually install the shingles and make sure to do that without damaging any of the other shingles. Alrighty, have a good one everybody.